So next in the quick unboxings is something ordered on Kickstarter quite a while ago. Get a lovely big warning logo on the DHL flyer. I think it's a tiny coin cell in there. You get this giant warning. One very, very small box, which I will find something sharp to break the outer skin. But quite. And once you have, with your choice of sharp implement, split the plastic, you have a standard type where you can just open this all up, and then, yeah, Racebox Micro, very small box as well. Got a nice pouch for it, oh my goodness, it is tiny. So this is the Racebox Micro. As per the Kickstarter, it should do everything that your bigger Racebox does. All it's missing is a battery or a power source. There is a lithium battery backup, which you've got there. A small instruction guide, which there is not that much to it. Just needs power with 3.5 to 16 volts. So presumably you can connect it directly to your car 12 volts. Well, that's something probably to clarify with them first. And pretty much get going. The specifications basically match what the big Raceboxes have, which is great. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this installed in my car. It's a much smaller unit, and I've already got a nice 5 volt supply in my car, so I can use that. And yeah, there it is. It is an impressive looking little bit of kit.